How to verify Stripe account. So once you have created an account on Stripe, the next thing to do is to verify your account in order for you to use some of the features here. So all you have to do is to click this activate account at the top, and you will see that you need to enter some of the important information here, such as your personal details. So this is what it looks like, and you have to verify your personal details such as your legal name, your email address, date of birth, home address such as your city, okay, your state and zip code, and then your phone number and last four digits of your social security number. And then we have here also for, let's just say, your business details. But actually, most of the questions here or the information that they need depends on your country. Okay, so maybe in your country, there are other information that they will ask. Okay, so for business details, we have legal name, your team number, and then business address, state, industry, business website, and product description. For fulfillment details, so describe how you fulfill orders. Do you have a physical store or not? Then you just have to simply answer the following here. Click continue. For public details, it will need the following here. So if you have this information, all you have to do is to type. Once you're done with this, you can now proceed with your bank account or bank information. So if you tap this add your bank, you have to enter or select what is your bank account. You can see a different bank account company here. So select if you don't have one, then you can manually type your bank account details. Now you can secure your account by just using any of this use an authenticator app or add a security key. Now for add extras, we have here automate sales tax calculation, but this is just optional. And once done, you can now review and then click this agree and submit. Then after that, once you have added or entered all the information that is needed, you can go back to your Stripe and see that you can now use some of the features of Stripe because your account is now verified. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.